Arrive in style with this Ram 2017 1500 Express. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 3.92 rear axle ratio, remote keyless entry with all secure, manufacturer's statement of origin, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, engine, 5.7 LV8 HEMI MDS VVT included, electronically controlled throttle heavy-duty engine cooling next generation engine controller engine oil heat exchanger HEMI badge heavy-duty transmission oil cooler, diesel gray black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat, bright silver metallic clear coat, SiriusXM satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service, no satellite coverage with 8K high PR6. For more info call 800-643-2112 and wheels, 20-inch x 9 inches aluminum chrome clad included, locking lug